Hey everybody, this is a fix for the wallpaper issue that is in 20.7.1. When you first boot up, if you're using a wallpaper that's not stock, and you boot up FL Studio in the new version for the first time, you might notice that your wallpaper is no longer being displayed. And if you go to change it, alright, great, so it's working. But then you close FL Studio and open it again, it's back to the normal default thing. So here's how to fix that. If you notice, you just need to copy your wallpaper that you want, and you need to put it into this folder, this program files 86 image line FL Studio wallpapers, and it needs to go in here. So I copied that original image and I put it in here. Here it is. Now when I close FL Studio, then I open it back up, you can see the wallpaper sticks. So it's a pretty simple fix. The only thing is the image that you're using as your wallpaper has to be in the image line wallpapers folder. So that's a pretty simple fix. Anyway, that's it. See you later.